Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to remove users from your Slack workspace. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browsers into your computer and after that search for Slack workspace directory. Now, after searching Slack workspace directory, this first option will appear. Just simply tap into that and then log into your account. Now you just simply have to scroll down a bit and then you just simply have to select from which channel you want to remove users. And after opening that channel, this type of page will appear into your screen. You just simply have to tap into this drop down besides the channel name. After that, go to this members section. Now, after coming into this members section, you just simply have to tap into these three dots and this remove from channel option will appear. Just simply tap into that option and click to remove in order to remove from the channel. By following this very easy steps, you can also remove users from your channel very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.